Hello lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel Health is Wealth. And today we have a treat for all you health-conscious foodies out there. We're diving into the world of healthy Indian vegetarian meal plan ideas. If you're looking to fuel your body with wholesome goodness, you're in for a delicious journey. Let's get started. Rise and shine with nourishing breakfasts. Our day begins with a burst of flavor and nutrition. First up, we have a hearty masala oats recipe. Creamy oats dance with colorful veggies and aromatic spices to wake up your taste buds and fuel your morning. Midday energy boosters. Who says healthy can't be scrumptious? Our mid-morning snack features a delightful Greek yogurt with mixed berries. Creamy yogurt meets a burst of antioxidants from a medley of berries. It's the perfect pick-me-up. Lunchtime goodness with chickpea spinach curry. For lunch, we've got a chickpea spinach curry that's as satisfying as it is nutritious. This protein-packed delight boasts the goodness of chickpeas and the vibrant flavor of spinach, paired with wholesome brown rice. It's a complete meal that'll keep you energized. Smart snacking with mixed nuts and seeds. Time for a smart snacking choice, our mixed nuts and seeds medley. Packed with essential nutrients, these crunchy bites are your go-to option when hunger strikes. They're not just delicious, they're your secret to staying on track. Dinner excellence with vegetable quinoa pulao. Dinner time calls for a masterpiece, our vegetable quinoa pulao. Quinoa takes center stage, mingling with a symphony of veggies and aromatic spices. It's a delightful harmony of flavors and health. And before we bid adieu, don't forget to pamper yourself with a soothing herbal tea. It's the perfect way to wind down your day, embracing relaxation and tranquility. There you have it, folks. A day of delicious and nourishing healthy Indian vegetarian meal plan ideas. Remember, your journey to wellness is a delightful one, full of flavor and creativity. If you love these recipes, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more mouth-watering content. And hit that notification bell so you never miss any episode. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling, and keep nourishing your body.